Today we're breaking down the real data-backed cost of starting a homestead. Not guesses, not opinions, not romanticized ideas, factual numbers. The USDA and Census Bureau all track small farm data, and when you study it closely, a very different picture appears. Homesteading costs more money than people expect, but it pays you back in more ways than you could ever imagine. Let's start with land, because this is the barrier that stops most new homesteaders. According to the USDA 2024 Land Value Report, U.S. average farmland costs $54.60 an acre. That's an average, meaning your area could be higher or lower. The cheapest regions average between $1,800 to $2,500 an acre. The most expensive regions exceed $12,500 an acre. Michigan, where I homestead, averages about $5,000 an acre. But the cost doesn't stop with buying land. The USDA Small Farm Census shows the average homesteader spends $8,900 in their first year. Most of that isn't animals or seeds, it's infrastructure. A driveway can run between $2,000 to $6,000 depending on length and gravel need. A modest shed or barn runs between $2,000 to $5,000 depending on size. Water lines, hoses, frost-proof hydrants run between $4,000 to $1,000 in your first year. Fencing averages $2 to $4 per foot for basic wire. A single acre requires roughly 1,000 to 1,100 feet of fence. That's between $2,000 to $4,000 just to enclose the land. Infrastructure is the hidden cost that surprises new homesteaders the most. According to the Cooperative Extension Service, tools cost $2,500 alone in the first year. A quality chainsaw, $300 to $700. A push mower, $350 to $600. Fuel cans, hand tools, gloves, tarps, pruners, fencing tools come to about $200 to $500. And if you buy a tractor, the average compact tractor is between $17,000 and $25,000 in 2025. Even used machines run between $10,000 and $15,000. But here's an important fact. You don't need one your first year. Most new homesteaders overspend on equipment. The data shows that beginners only use 30 to 40% of what they buy in the first year. Animals are where beginners lose the most money fast. A $5 chick becomes a $300 to $350 investment in the first year if you take into account feed, bedding, and care. Research suggests that goats cost between $400 to $700 in the first year. A family milk cow? Expect to spend between $2,500 to $4,500 in the first 12 months. The average U.S. backyard flock eats 41 pounds of food a month. That's between $15 and $25 a month, depending on your feed source. Chickens pay back slowly, but consistently. The National Gardening Association reports the average backyard startup is $300, but produces between $600 to $1,000 in annual value. That's 200 to 300% return. One of the best you'll find on your homestead. Raised beds cost between $40 and $120, depending on the wood you use. Soil and compost per bed, $40 to $70. Seeds average between $2 to $4 per packet, but the cost is time, not money. The average gardener spends about 110 hours annually tending their garden. A Purdue agriculture study shows that most homesteaders underestimate the time by 60%. The average small homestead requires 15 to 25 hours a week during peak season. Spring chores increase that number to 30 to 35 hours. Time is the most expensive currency on a homestead. Harvard's Home and Land Studies report that between 1 to 4% of a home's value is eaten up in maintenance a year. On a $250,000 property, that's between $2,500 to $10,000 annually. Feed, bedding, repairs, and fuel, it all adds up quickly. New homesteaders lose on average 25% of their first year crops. They overspend on tools they don't need. They buy animals too early. They misjudge fencing needs, and they underestimate weather risk. Mistakes cost $1,000 to $3,000 in the first year, and that's normal. Now, why do people still choose this life? Because the return isn't financial, it's personal. People who grow some of their own food report a 40% increase in life satisfaction. You gain health, strength, meaning, and independence. So what does a homestead really cost? Money? Yes. Time? Absolutely. Effort? Always. But it gives back more than it takes. It builds you, strengthens you, and it grounds you. And for many of us, that trade is worth everything. This is the Real Homestead, where the dream meets the dirt. I'm Rainy River Outdoors. Thanks for watching. Like the video if this helped you. Comment your biggest first year surprise.